Start by unlocking your mobile phone and finding the app. Tap on the GPS Map Live Earth Camera app to open it. Wait for the app to load completely on your screen. You will now see the main dashboard of the app. This app lets you explore maps and live locations easily. Tap on the live camera option to begin. You will see different categories of live cameras. Select a city camera to view live footage. Wait for the live camera feed to load. You can zoom in to see more details clearly. Now switch to satellite map view for a global look. Use your fingers to zoom into any location. The map will focus on the selected area. You can explore different countries and cities. Use the search bar to find a specific place. Type the location name carefully. Select your desired result from the list. The map will move to that location instantly. Now try the Street View feature. This gives you a real-world 360-degree view. Swipe your screen to look around the area. Use arrows to move forward in Street View. Next, check the Live Traffic feature. This shows real-time traffic conditions. You can also use navigation inside the app. Select your starting point and destination. Choose your preferred travel mode. Follow the route shown on the map. Now you know how to use this app easily. Explore the world anytime from your phone.